attack sa Black Sea, 9 na barko na ang apektado. Tinatayang 139 na Pilipinong tripulante ang sakay ng 9 na barkong nakaranas ng pag-atake ng drone sa bahagi ng Black Sea.
As of July 29, ships carrying Filipino seafarers have reportedly been attacked, and primarily through drone strikes while transiting or berthed at ports in Ukraine and in Russia. And as I mentioned, northern Black Sea ito, pero southern portion of Ukraine. The attacks have largely targeted bulk carriers and oil product or tankers, with incidents occurring in and or near the ports and anchorages in southern Ukraine.
Naitalang safe at unharmed ang 124 na tripulante, samantalang 12 ang sugatan, 1 ang nawawala at 2 ang nasawi sa pag-atake. 4 sa 12 injured ang na-repatriate na sa bansa, samantalang ang natitirang 8 ay kasalukuyang tumatanggap ng medical treatment. Inaayos na ang pagpapauwi sa 10 ng nasawing tripulante noong July 6.
And we have communicated with the family of the seafarer and are arranging for his repatriation and of course the assistance by the DMWO to the family. Yung second, it just happened yesterday. So we are still in the process of reaching out to the family of the seafarer. But rest assured, within the day, we shall have communicated with the family as well as will provide assistance to the family.